How to remove the stand from an LG monitor. Depending on the design and model of your LG monitor, there are varying methods for detaching the stand. Should you want to mount the monitor, use a different stand, or pack the monitor for moving. Always check the owner's manual for your specific model to be sure. You can download the manual from the LG.com website. LG monitor stands are generally composed of two parts: the base that the monitor sits on and the body or neck that connects the base to the monitor. Lay the monitor face down on a padded surface to avoid scratching the screen. Then locate the screw underneath the base stand. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it, then pull off the base stand. Depending on the specific model design, removing the stand body varies. Please refer to the setup guide or owner's manual for your specific model for instructions. For most small monitors 22 inches and under, after removing the base stand, lay the monitor face up. Locate the small clip hole on the stand body. Using a flat tip screwdriver, push down on the clip to loosen it, then pull out the stand body. Most 27 to 29 inch monitors have a screw-in stand. First, remove the stand screw cover from the top. Pinch the sides of the stand and, with a gentle wiggling motion, pull it upward until it comes off, exposing the stand screws. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. The stand should now be able to come off. If it seems to be stuck, gently wiggle it to the left and right while pulling upward to loosen the stand. For most of the newer monitors, there is a lock mechanism on the back of the monitor that allows for easy stand setup and removal. With the monitor face down on a padded surface, first locate the lock lever near the stand attachment and slide it down to unlock. Then pull the stand upward to release it from the stand groove. You should now be able to remove the stand. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.